In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix input delay on Geforce Now Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Fortnite through Geforce Now, either on a PC or on your smartphone, tablet, and so on, you will be able to follow these settings that I show you in this video to reduce input lag. So there are various reasons on why input lag might happen, and actually, GeForce Now will provide you with some options to minimize this. So all that you have to do is on your GeForce Now launcher, before starting Fortnite, just go over to the settings. So on PC, you can access this by choosing this menu at the top left and then accessing settings. You can do the exact same thing on mobile. So open the menu, go into settings, and then you have to look for streaming quality. Even though there are other options that you should still look at, like resolution scaling, streaming quality is going to be by far the most important one. This is related to the performance and data usage. So you will be able to choose from any of these. As you can see, they have balanced, data saver, and then competitive. Finally, you have the option to make a custom one. If you want to spend a lot of time optimizing this, choose custom. However, competitive should be used for most players who want to reduce input lag. Of course, the graphical quality might be a little bit lower. However, in turn, you are going to get the best performance and the lowest input delay possible. So just choose competitive if you want to get this done with. But if you go into custom, you will be able to change the max bitrate that is being used, the resolution, and the frame rate. These options here are going to be the most important ones by far. VSync can help tearing, so the game isn't going to look as jarring when you look around a lot, but as long as you adjust these options here, you will be good to go. You should especially tick this box if you have poor network speeds. By doing this, it is going to do some adjustments that help the game feel smoother. But overall, if your internet connection is slow and not stable to begin with, then sadly, these settings aren't really going to help. GeForce Now is meant to be used with a strong and stable internet connection, and if you don't have access to that, then sadly, regardless of what you try to do, the experience is not going to be the best. I recommend trying out competitive first, and then alternatively, go into custom and change some of these settings. Lower the resolution a little bit, limit the frame rate, and improve the bitrate. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix input delay on GeForce Now Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.